How to find Steam Trade URL. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can find your Steam Trade URL. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is you will need to open up your Steam and make sure that you're logged in into your account. After doing that, you will see your profile or your username right here. Just tap on that and there you should find the inventory option. Tap on inventory and head over to inventory. After you're on your inventory section, there you'll find the trade offers. Tap on trade offers, and after you're here, you should see all of your incoming trades. Now, I do not have any incoming trades right now, so it's empty. But to find your Steam trade URL, what you'll need to do is head over to this section that says who can send me trade offers. Tap on that, and right here if you scroll down a bit, you'll find under third party sites there should be your trade URL. Now you can just copy this URL, or if you want to just change your URL, simply tap on create new URL so you can stop getting trade offers from your old URL. And that's basically how you find your Steam trade URL, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.